Welcome. In today's video, we're going to go through a simple step-by-step guide on how to search for messages inside your spam folder on the LinkedIn app for PC. LinkedIn recently introduced some new updates, and with those updates, the way you manage and search through your messages has become much easier. Whether you want to double-check if an important note landed in spam by mistake, or you're simply organizing your inbox, this quick walkthrough will help you out. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom corner of the screen. There, you'll see the messaging bar. Click on it, and this will take you straight into your messages. At the top of your messaging page, you'll see a search bar. What's important here is the small filter option attached to the bar. Click on that filter, and a menu will appear showing you different categories. From the list, select Spam. This will instantly shift your view. So instead of seeing your regular inbox, you'll now only see the messages that LinkedIn marked as potential spam. Once you're inside the spam section, it works just like your usual inbox. In the search bar, type in the keyword, name, or phrase you're trying to find. LinkedIn will filter through all the spam messages and highlight the ones that match your search. This makes it much quicker to identify if something useful ended up in the wrong folder. And that's all it takes. Just 4 simple steps. Open the app. Go to the messaging bar, apply the spam filter, and type whatever you're searching for. With this new update, LinkedIn has made it much more straightforward to keep control over your messages, even the ones that don't land in your regular inbox. So, next time you can't find a message where you expect it, remember to check the spam folder using this method. It could save you from missing out on something valuable. Thanks for watching.